Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing great. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but we have hit 100 subscribers last evening, and I am so thrilled and so happy for hitting 100 subscribers because I know it's a small number, but it is a big milestone for me to have achieved. So, a big shout out to all my friends, family, and all my supporters and followers and subscribers. Thank you to everybody. Today I'm back with another succulent arrangement. This time it's called a tabletop succulent arrangement. I've used 5 succulents here and I made this in literally, I'm not exaggerating, literally 6 to 7 minutes. That's all it takes to make this arrangement. I hope you all like this video as well, and this should pretty much sum up my succulent series. So let's get started with the video and you'll see how easy it is to make a tabletop succulent arrangement. That is the tabletop planter I'm talking about. It's sold by Amazon Basics. It's in the color white and copper. There are other variants, I believe, in gold also available. It is for 649 rupees and the link is mentioned below. These are the 5 succulents that I am going to use for today's arrangement. I used these particular succulents for the table arrangement because they are comparatively sturdier and they are easy to maintain. So let's start with the arrangement. The first layer that we put in is always of activated horticulture charcoal. I've spoken more about the uses of charcoal in my previous video. I'll drop a link at the end of this video for you all to watch it. Next we go in with the cactus potting mix that I got again from Amazon. More about it in the previous video. Here I am not going to layer it with different things. In an arrangement, I believe it's easier to just have the charcoal layer and the plotting mixture on top. Every time you put soil into any planter, try not to compress it. Instead, use a wooden spoon or a fork to level the soil out. That's the first succulent that I put in. The main goal here is to not completely compress the roots or to cover it up with soil. As long as the roots are in contact with the potting soil, the succulents are good to go. I chose succulents here that I could find, number 1, and number 2, I chose them by size and pattern. Size because different size would give the arrangement a better dimension. Y'all could use succulents of different color, that would look even better, but I chose whatever I could get at my local nursery. Succulent arrangements of these kinds can remain in the planter for as long as a year. They do pretty well in a planter, and make sure you do not overwater them. I generally water my succulents just once a week. My most favorite part of the succulent arrangements and terrariums, the stones. These are white polished pebbles I got off my local nursery guy. Place the stones wherever you like them. I like to cover the whole soil bed with it, as well as use the stones to help the succulents stand better. And that's our tabletop plant succulent arrangement ready. They go very well on study tables, on corner tables, on coffee tables especially. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all like this simple succulent idea. These are very low maintenance and I urge everybody to own at least a couple of them. Stay tuned for more of my videos, guys. Thanks again for watching.